Hello, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I appreciate you wanting just some more information on exactly what I was talking about when I sent you that message. And I don't want to waste too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy, but I just kind of wanted to show you some tips and tricks on how to become more relevant online using the power of Google and, of course, your website that you have right now. The first thing that kind of stood out to me first and foremost was this kind of a red flag right here, seeing that your website is not secure. You're definitely gonna want to see what's going on with that, just to see if you can get that patched up, because you are liable for a breach, considering that there are some pay buttons here. Okay, now I would like to say that I have used the GoDaddy website builder before, and it's a good starter website. I don't mean to offend anybody, but you would definitely benefit with staying away from GoDaddy. Okay, now, although this site is from GoDaddy, it was pretty easy to navigate. But honestly, Google cares more about content than anything else. Okay, now. If I were to highlight all of your content here, just copy that and then put it on my word counter, you can see how many words you have on this website, okay? All right, looks like you have 318 words. Now, a really authoritative website has anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words on the landing page alone. Okay, and it helps with Google being able to find you, it basically makes you more visible. Okay, and what you want on this website are words like keywords, I should say, like pest control Farmington, pest control companies Farmington, pest control services Farmington, New Mexico. Those are just some basic keywords that are searched for in our area, as I'm also here in Farmington, that would help you be more visible online. Okay. Now, secondly, what I want to talk to you about are backlinks. Okay. Now, backlinks. I went on ahead and plugged in your website here into my tool. All right. And basically, what this tool does. This is a paid tool, considering I am in the industry. This paid tool just kind of shows me what's going on in the background of your website. It shows me some analytics and some other stats and stuff like that. There's some other free tools out there that you could use to kind of see what I'm seeing here, just by googling backlink checker, googling keyword researcher, things like that, right? And it would basically allow you to see kind of what I'm seeing here. So according to this, you have 2 referring domains, and what those are just 2 websites that are pushing traffic to your website. Okay, well, they're linking to you, as you know, that's the correct word, and then they're doing that 7 times. Okay, 7 but backlinks are just the number of times that these domains are linking back to you. So these 2 domains which are other websites, are linking to you 7 times. Okay, you have 0 organic keywords, bringing you on average 0 traffic. So roughly or hardly anybody is visiting your website per month. And then obviously it's bringing you $0 in traffic value. So I went on ahead and did it with your competition here in Farmington, which is Pest Pest Control. Okay. Now these guys have 18 referring domains, and these websites are linking to him 54 times, bringing him 50 total people to visit his website per month, and it's giving them $173 in traffic value. Now I know you may not think that's not much, but per customer, that is a lot of money that you're leaving on the table. You know what I mean? So I would highly recommend that you do some research on what these guys are doing, the backlinks they are using over here, and the referring domains, so that you can stack them onto your website, so that you can be number 1 in Farmington, right? Receiving all the phone calls, you'd be getting all the emails and messages. I mean, essentially getting most of the clients, even having business during the winter months, right? Considering you'd be number 1 in Google here in Farmington, that would allow a constant inflow of customers. Okay, now let's see. So the last thing I want to talk to you about today are citations. Okay, now citations are anywhere that your business can be found in a directory. Okay, and a directory is basically like Yelp. You've got Home Advisor, White Pages, Yellow Pages, and gosh, what else? Angie's List, right? So just off the top of my head, those are a few directories that you can put your business on. Okay, now that would help build your citation list. Okay, now if I'm completely honest with you, the this is where most of the traffic goes, okay? And having more citations than your competitors, these guys, Pest, Pest Control, is how you land up here in the map pack, okay? If you were to just do the research and see how many citations these guys have and which ones you want to use for yourself, you could easily take this #1 spot on Google so that you can go on ahead and, as I said, be landing all the clients and be getting all the phone calls and stuff like that for new potential customers. So with that being said, you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So you could obviously take all this information and utilize it yourself, right? Apply it to your business, which is something, something that a lot of people that I do contact obviously do, right? Some people contact me back, some people don't, and that's completely fine, right? This is obviously free information. This is a free attack plan that you can use for yourself and your business. If you're needing any guidance at all, right? If you're like one of my clients here in Farmington that's like, you know what, Jesus, I would definitely want to take advantage of this. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to this stuff, and I would definitely want some guidance. Well, then you can definitely reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to help you get to #1 in Farmington. If you have any questions at all, just feel free to message me. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.